Right now, summer products are in high demand. Categories like outdoor furniture, fitness gear, pool accessories, garden products, cooling gadgets, and kids' toys are selling fast. But many dropshippers are still promoting outdated products instead of adapting to seasonal demand. In this video, I'll show you how to find winning summer products faster, list them in minutes, and build a faster workflow using Doba Pilot, an AI assistant that helps with sourcing, listing creation, store setup, and customer support through a single chat interface. So let's jump straight into the live demo. One reason many sellers miss seasonal opportunities is that traditional product research takes too long. By the time they've compared suppliers, checked prices, and verified shipping, the trend has often moved on. Doba solves this by connecting you with a large supplier network, including US-based inventory with faster domestic shipping. It also uses AI-powered tools to simplify sourcing, listing creation, and store management. What makes Doba stand out is Doba Pilot. Instead of navigating multiple menus, you simply describe what you want in a chat, and the AI handles the task. Whether it's market research, product sourcing, listing creation, store setup, or customer support, everything happens in one place. Let's start with the first step in the workflow, Market Scout. Market Scout is Doba Pilot's AI-powered research feature. Before choosing products, it's important to understand what's trending, what's oversaturated, which price ranges are performing well, and where the best profit opportunities exist. I'll type this prompt into the chat. Analyze current trends for summer outdoor products and tell me what's selling right now with the best margins. Doba Pilot instantly analyzes current market trends using real Amazon market data. Within seconds, it provides demand insights, competition analysis, and product opportunities, all inside the same chat. Instead of spending hours using multiple research tools, you get a complete market overview in under a minute. Store setup and AI workflow. Now, what if you don't have a Shopify store yet? Doba Pilot can help with that too. I'll simply type, "Help me build a Shopify store." Doba Pilot guides you through the setup process step by step, including theme selection, banner design, and account configuration, all within the same chat. Instead of following multiple tutorials, you can complete everything in one place. But here's where Doba Pilot becomes even more powerful. Instead of completing each task separately, you can combine the entire workflow into a single command. For example, I'll type, "Create a store, analyze current trends for outdoor gear, pick 10 high-margin items based on the data, and list them with a 20% profit margin." Doba Pilot automatically performs every stage of the workflow. It creates the store, analyzes market trends, finds suitable products, and generates optimized listings, all from one instruction. This is the advantage of working with an AI agent. Rather than navigating different tools and menus, you simply describe the outcome you want, and Doba Pilot handles the process for you. Now let's look at another feature that saves time every day: built-in customer support. If I have a question about platform credits, connecting a new store, shipping rules, or any other Doba feature, I can ask directly in the chat. Instead of searching through help articles or waiting for support tickets, Doba Pilot provides instant answers, allowing you to continue working without interruption. With research, sourcing, listing creation, store setup, and customer support all available in one conversation, the entire workflow stays fast and efficient. Next, let's see how Doba Pilot helps you source products with fast US shipping for seasonal demand. Part 4. Fast shipping, seasonal planning, pricing. Now, let's talk about something that's especially important for seasonal products: shipping speed. When customers order products like pool accessories or garden furniture, they expect fast delivery. Long shipping times can lead to poor reviews, refund requests, and lost sales. Doba gives you access to a large network of US-based suppliers with fast domestic shipping. For example, I'll type, "Find 10 trending summer items shipped from the US within 3 days." Doba Pilot instantly filters the supplier catalog and shows only products that meet those shipping requirements. This makes it much easier to find products that customers can receive quickly during peak season. While you're building your summer catalog, it's also a good time to prepare for the months ahead. After summer comes back-to-school shopping, followed by Q4, the busiest season in e-commerce. Sellers who prepare early have more time to test products, optimize listings, and build a stronger catalog before demand increases. With Doba Pilot, you can continue researching products, updating listings, and preparing for the next season without slowing down your workflow. Now let's look at the current pricing options. To recap, Doba Pilot helps you research product trends with Market Scout, find products quickly using AI Picker, generate optimized product listings automatically, set up your Shopify store through a guided chat, get instant customer support, source products with fast US shipping. Everything is managed through one AI-powered conversation, making the entire dropshipping workflow faster and more efficient.
We've got a special offer going on right now. Come try Doba Pilot and see what it can do for your store.